So, hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
I'm also good. So, my name is Rashika and today I'm playing the role of CM Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Let's see what would happen, and there are many people who will ask question to me, and let's see what would happen. Start.
Hello sir,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also good. So my name is Kritanji and I'm from NETV channel, and my question is that as you are giving free tickets to women and there are so many men who are saying that it is wrong, it is not gender equality. So what your opinion about that?
First of all, I want to say one thing, that whatever the people are thinking about it, they are totally wrong. How? As you can see that in the ancient time, the girls was facing a lot of problems. If I'm giving the free facility to them, so I don't think that this is the wrong decision, this is the right decision. Never ever any PM, any CM never did this kind of things. If I am doing so, I am a wrong person. No, I don't think about it.
So hello sir,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
So I am from NDTV News, and my question is that the Delhi is not safe for the women's as well as men's, and the equality is not there, and also there are crime that is happening in a very sufficient amount. So what do you want to say about it? And also that it is not because you can see the many crimes in this surrounding. So what do you want to say about it?
First of all, the point which I want to raise here, as you can see that there are many people who are just talking about the Delhi, because the Modi media is here, means they are not focusing on the any other, they are just talking about the disadvantage of our party. This is the main issue, and not on Delhi. There are many cities where the crimes are happening, but still people are just knowing, they are just watching about the Delhi. So this is the fact which I want to clear here. And apart from it, like, I can also appreciate your points that crimes are happening here. I want to do a lot of things by it. As you can see that I also give the CCTV facility to in the street where the girls can be safe, and I give the Wi-Fi facility by which if they are coming till night at their home, they can use it if they are not facing if they are not feeling safe. So these are the fact which I did in Delhi. But apart from it, there are a lot of things that I should do, and I'm focusing on it, and my all party, means my all members of the party, we are talking about it, because somewhere we are lacking on it, and we will work on it, because I'm that person who comes from the public, means I am the normal person, and I want to give the all facility towards the people. So I can say that yes, I will give the all facility.
So a warm good evening to you, sir.
Good evening.
So I am from the International News Channel. So here my question is that as you promised numerous of things, first thing is that you will never make any government, but you are in the government in the recent time. Second thing is that you will not take any kind of security, and you will not take any kind of government facilities such as house and government car and all the facilities. But as we can see that all the facilities you are taking. And the third thing is that you will never make any alliance with the Congress party, but as we saw the same. So what do you want to say about that? And I think and public also think that you are not the man of your words.
First of all, I want to clear one thing, that where you get the information, that was totally wrong, because as being a human beings, that there are many people who wants to kill me, and I'm unsafe. So for it, I should take the facility, I should be safe. So these are the things that's why I'm taking the facility of the government. And apart from it, as you can see that in my party, whatever the works we are doing, I don't think that any party which is they are doing. And as you can see that whatever the disadvantage the media are showing, so I don't think that whatever the things they are showing, it is still going here. So that are the things which I want to clear here. And I want to clear one thing also, the Prime Minister who wear luxurious dresses, who do a lot of things, but never ever the people ask to them that why sir you are wearing that much expensive clothes. But if I am taking the facility to save myself, so I am the wrong. I don't think that I am the wrong. I'm just taking to facility to save my own self. So I don't think that this is wrong, this is the right.
Hello sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am also well. So my name is Manish and I am from Aastak News. So sir, I have some similar questions for you. Like every state has its own police system, like UP police, Madhya Pradesh police, like that, right? But if I talk about Delhi, so Delhi hasn't any police system their own, like your party is ruling in Delhi. So Delhi hasn't any police system, because Delhi police comes under the central government. So what do you want to say about this?
I want to say one thing, that as you can see that that one bill has passed in parliament. Now whatever the powers now I am having, so the central government they are just snatching our powers. So I can say that whatever the works I am doing, I am just giving the all facility towards the people. I also promise them that whatever the facility they want by myself, I will give you, and I am giving that. But I don't know what is happening with the Bhajpa party. I think they are having fair towards our party, because our party giving the all facility which the peoples never think in their mind. They never think that they will get the free facility of buses. They never think that they will get the free facility of like the electricity. They never think that this government school can be can be replaced the private school. I am giving the all facility. So I can say that somewhere the Bhajpa party is that party who wants to put our party to down. So this is the reason that I can say that somewhere the Bhajpa party is ruling over the India. So we should replace them. Instead of them, there are a lot of party. The government can give vote to them.
Okay, so my next question is that, as I think you know about the Sri Lankan crisis, and because of the government is doing distributing freebies, I think you're also doing that. So the audience wants to know that it is are you doing a welfare, or it is a technique to gain vote?
First of all, that things I want to clear you that why I am giving free facility to the peoples. The first thing is that, as you can see that about the GDP, whatever the taxes which I am getting, only 3% I am giving facility towards the people. So that is I am the wrong CM. If I am giving them, instead of making a luxurious house, instead of hanging around here to there in the foreign countries, I am not doing these kind of things. If I am giving the 3% facility to the people, so I am wrong. I don't think that I am the wrong. So apart from it, as you can see that I am making the government school too luxurious, and I am giving them the free facility. As you can see that in the government school, and there are many things which I have launched. As you can see that I launched the door facility. Means the door facility is that facility there is no need to go in the in the government places where you can make your Aadhaar card, these kind of things. You do not need to stand in the line, and we will come in your home and we will make your Aadhaar card in sitting on your home. So door facility which I am providing, and there are many things that they are the many things which I am providing towards the peoples. If the peoples with me, so why I cannot do the all facility? Why I cannot give them the free facility if I am giving only 3% facility to them? And I can say that you all are raising that point that I am the selfish person, I am just taking that vote. No, not at all. If there are some money which is I am saving and I am giving the facility to them, so I don't think that this is the wrong decision. And apart from it, like I can say that whatever the works which I did, I never see any any CM PM they did. I make the government school too luxurious. Have you ever seen any city and any place where the government school are too much? As you can see that in India there are a lot of city where the Bhajpa party is. Have you seen there is any government school which is going very well? You can give me one proof? No, never. So these are the things that I can say that our party is going well.
So my next question is that as being a government, you are doing many works for the welfare of the public. But I would now I would like to say about the mohalla clinics that you have opened, or also the government hospitals. The facilities we are not getting, because as being an experience of mine, I'm talking. Also, I would like to talk about the government schools. I'm not getting that facility. That is why I'm studying in private schools, because the school doors is broken and the desk is broken. So what do you want to say about it?
So I don't know like where you see the government school, because our government school are those government school where the foreign peoples are coming to see our EMC classes. Have you know about the EMC classes? EMC classes are those classes where we are giving happiness to our children. And there are I also start one like classes which is called Desh Bhakti. Means as you can see that the Bhajpa party is discriminating the whole world, and that's why the reason that I started the Desh Bhakti classes, where the means the children make their unity, where they do study together. As you can see see that how much the means the fake news are going towards the everyone, where the peoples are doing a bad activity, and the children are making memes, and also these environments are really bad for the children, and that's why I started these classes. And I don't think that the government schools are wrong. Your information is totally wrong, sir. Thank you.